Hi, I'm John Seaburn with Vintage Video Productions, and welcome to the Military Jeep Restoration video. Many of us have dreamed of having a restored Army Jeep. For me, that dream began in 1977. On the drive home from getting my driver's license, my dad asked what kind of vehicle I'd like to get. I said an old pickup truck or an old Army Jeep.
Just down the road, we passed a World War II Army Jeep painted red with a black vinyl top and a for sale sign on the windshield that read $300. My military vehicle collecting adventure had begun. This old Jeep was my first car, which I drove to high school and on many drives through the country with my friends and family. Now that my dad and I had the military vehicle bug, we kept an eye out for other old Jeeps and Army trucks hiding behind barns, in fields, and in junkyards. The backyard was filling up with all sizes of World War II vehicles. The World War II Dodge ambulance came from a plumber. The half-track came from a quarry. The GMC CCKW 6x6 came from a local power company. The 1945 Willys MB you'll see on this program was once used by our local school system, which had acquired it from Army surplus in the 1950s. It was painted bright yellow and was used to push school buses in the winter to get them started. The Jeep was in running condition when we purchased it at a county government surplus auction in 1993. For many years, it sat in the barn with our other old Jeeps. A few years ago, we began restoring the 45 Willys, but like many restoration projects, it got put on hold. I met Tony Capizzuto at a local air show several years ago. He was riding around in his newly restored World War II Jeep. As I got to know him, I discovered that he had restored many military vehicles over the years and is a professional auto body and paint technician. Knowing that our project had been on hold, Tony offered to help us complete the Jeep, which gave us the opportunity to document the restoration on video. This program is the end result of the many days spent in Tony's garage. Also on this program, experts in the military vehicle hobby will discuss the many aspects of Jeep restoration. George Baxter of Army Jeep Parts will cover the running gear of the Jeep. Daryl Bensinger of D&L Bensinger Military Vehicle Parts and Restoration will cover Jeep bodies and replacement body parts. Dan Janquito of Beechwood Canvas will cover canvas, paint, markings, and accessories. Each has more than 25 years of research and restoration experience and will share with you their wealth of technical and historical knowledge.
Without their help and the help of many others who shared their time and knowledge, the Jeep restoration and this program would not have been possible. What you'll see in this program is what was needed to restore our Jeep. Because every restoration is different, yours might need other procedures and techniques.
Here's what you're going to see. On Volume 1, what to do before you start. Restoration choices. Running gear. On Volume 2, body restoration. Paint. Electrical. On Volume 3, canvas, markings, accessories, and finally, we'll wrap it up by having fun with the Jeep.
It's important to learn as much as you can before you start. Some good ways are by joining military vehicle clubs, military vehicle magazines, books, manuals, and from others in the hobby. If you're new to the military vehicle hobby, a great way to start is to join the MVPA, the Military Vehicle Preservation Association. I've been a member for over 25 years, and as a member, I've made many new friends, had some great experiences, and learned a lot about Jeep restoration.
The MVPA is an international organization dedicated to the preservation of historic military vehicles. It hosts an annual convention featuring a large swap meet and military vehicle displays. This is a great way to learn more about military vehicles. You can meet and talk with the owners of many Jeeps in various conditions. At a convention, you will see everything from rusty parts Jeeps for sale to high-end factory-class restorations. You might even see a celebrity. When you go to an MVPA convention, you can pick up some knowledge, get ideas, and can see many different types of military vehicle restorations.